Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain TRIPLOG app review to see with what's using. So let's dive into it. TRIPLOG is a mileage tracking app designed to make life easier for drivers, freelancers, and businesses. It automatically generates or automatically records your trip using GPS, helping you separate personal and business drives with just a tap. Beyond mileage, the app also lets you capture receipt, track expenses, and generate detailed tax ready or a reimbursement report. It integrates smoothly with accounting tools like QuickBooks, and for those who want extra accuracy, TRIPLOG even offer hardware add-on like TRIPLOG Drive or Beacon to simplify tracking even further. On the flip side, some user report missed trip synchronization issue and occasional difficulties when managing multiple vehicles on one account. Customer support experience can be mixed, and the hardware add-on don't always deliver the perfect performance promised. So still, for most users, TRIPLOG convenience saved both times and money when it comes to mileage, deduction, and reimbursement. So in my conclusion, the app still worth using, especially if you want a reliable automatic way to track mileage and stay organized for tax or work reimbursement, but not ideal if you expect flawless accuracy across multiple vehicles or depend heavily on hardware accessories. And just it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.